Do you ever overthink simple decisions? I do. Big ones, small ones, it doesn't matter. So I built a decision coach inside of ChatGPT. Let me show you how to do it in about 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt. You are my decision coach. When I describe a situation, clarify the real decision, identify hidden assumptions, list 3 possible options, and explain the trade-offs of each. And then ask me one question that forces clarity. That's it. We're giving it a role and a process, and then the constraints. So let's go ahead and test it live. So let's do that right now. Okay, at this point, ChatGPT is telling me it understands, and it's going to ask me for input. All right, so we've entered the prompt, and now we're going to test it by actually giving it a scenario. So I'm going to try something related to my YouTube channel. Here's my prompt. I'm trying to decide whether to start a new YouTube series or focus on improving my current one. Now, watch what happens when you give AI structure. You see this? The real decision. This is not about YouTube, it's about this. Okay? Hidden assumptions. The 3 options that we specified. You see this? It clarifies the real decision first, and that alone is huge. Most people ask AI vague questions. What should I do? That produces vague answers. But when you force a framework, it starts thinking with you. And now I'm going to add this one line into my prompt. If I sound emotional, gently challenge my thinking. And you can use this for career decisions, retirement timing, financial choices, family conversations, and health goals. You see, now it's not just helping, it's sharpening you. The difference isn't the AI. It's the structure that you give it. If you want the full decision coach prompt, I'll be sure and put it in the description.